Yo, what's up, boys? Luca Trades here with another setup review for Well, I just kind of started this video, but I don't even remember the series name. I think it was like trading case studies. But yeah, we're here with the next trading case study, and I was just back testing. I just applied for a new FX replay like free trial because that's how I've been getting the back testing. I just make a new email and then get the free trial. Um, And yeah, this was the first trade that I took, but it's such, a simple setup, and I see the setup a lot, so I wanted to go over it. Um, so yeah, we can start on the higher time frame. So the daily, um, we've been bullish on the daily, came up, big extension, retracement into a fair value gap. I'll mark that out just because. And then we pushed up again, so I draw this daily fair value gap, which I think we might try and come back to. Um, and yeah, so right now the bias, uh, just given these last few candles, I'm looking for sells. Even though the general bias is bullish, I'm looking for a retracement into this internal range liquidity, right? Oh, my fib isn't. Yeah, my fib is. Actually, no, my fib is fine. But yeah, as you can see, we've hit the three standard deviation, and it looks like we're giving a lot of wicks. So I'm definitely expecting us to retrace down into this fair value gap, um, which is framing why we wanted to see sells today. Now, the next thing is we do have the this 4-hour inverse that I was looking at, which, as you can see, this 4-hour candle wicked above but closed with the body below, which is part of the setup that I've been seeing. Um, you have a higher time frame PD array that would align with your bias. It invalidates it, but then the close of the higher time frame candle, which the PD array was formed from, closes with the body inside or below the PD array, which is an extremely bearish sign in this case. Um, so if we go on the hour, this is also where you would look to see if price is respecting, right? You see this fair value gap that we made, right? Price comes back up and respects it, right? It breaks it, but it closes inside, right? So that's confirming to us that we're bullish. And this is the 9 or the 9 a.m. candle, which means the next candle is going to be a silver bullet candle, which means it's like the silver bullet hour, which is really good because all we need to do is look for a bearish fair value gap to retrace to. See the structure. Oh, and also at the top here, we can bring this down to the 1. We do have an SMT at the top. I believe it's, yeah, this high on ES to this high. This goes down and this goes up. Right, they're just really uncoordinated. Like the high on NQ is not even the same candle as the high on ES of that time. And then this high right here is like way off of this high on ES. But you can just tell that it's deviating, right? And they're correlating assets, so that would be an SMT. So now, where's our PD array? Since price is really wicky on the 1 minute, we're going to be looking at the 5 minute for our PD array. And what do we find here? These three candles form this fair value gap with the blue lines, right? So now we look on the 1 minute for our entry, and our stop is above this candle on the 1 minute. And technically, this is also a breaker too. So we had this candle close under the breaker, which means that this is now a breaker. So if you would have take the body of this, it would line up too, as well as the fair value gap that the breaker bounced from. But what do you know? It's pixel perfect, right? So that inverse uh, is also there, right? And that just shows the amount of confluences that go into a good trade. So yeah, we tapped into this, and also this is a fake break of structure, right? You can see technically the entry would have been like right here, like after this candle close, right? Because that would confirm that this is a fake break of structure, right? Because we have this downward trend retracement, new low, and then we break the structure here, but it's a wick off just to get into this fair value gap during silver bullet, which pushes us to the lower liquidity under these stacked lows. And then by extent, we could also hit these lows and the previous daily low. And it is 10, so like this fair value gap could get retraced into and then respected, because order flow is definitely gonna be bearish until we get past this line, which would be the fair value gap, I think. Or no, it would be here. But yeah, I would guess that we would be bearish for a good rest of the day. So yeah, you guys can see we tapped back into this PD array, started falling again. We're just chopping a little, break a structure, but it was manipulation, then more manipulation. See what it's doing, right? So yeah, I just wanted to go over this trade as another trading case study to prove that higher time frame candle closes, especially the 1 hour, can frame a trade in the AM session and in the PM session, right? And then all you have to do is go on the lower time frame, find your PD array, and execute. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try and post a third case study. I'm gonna keep back testing tonight. Just getting those hours in, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.